Do you despair of your error-prone manual processes? Do you feel threatened by all this new technology and you just don't know where to start? Are you truly taking the public's perspective in designing your services? If you've been working with digital transformation for any time, I feel sure that some or all of these problems will be familiar to you. So some of the things that people tell us that they're struggling with are low user satisfaction, flat budgets but ever-increasing workloads, the lack of skills, and just when you feel like you're getting somewhere, changing requirements drive you back to square one. These are just some of the problems that digital process automation can help you with. DPA will help you accelerate by getting the right work to the right people without dropping the ball. You'll be able to empower your own people and your customers, and we're going to help you to automate both tasks and decisions so that you can drive efficiencies. We're living in exciting times. Rapid advances in technology, combined with a tough economic climate, are presenting a once-in-a-generation opportunity to really take stock of how we deliver value to our customers. I'm Tim Stevenson and I'll be leading your DPA workshop. This is going to allow your organisation to take a hard look at how you do things and to deploy technology to realise the potential of people.